Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor K. V. Narasimhan, Vector Calculus, Lecture number 19, Results on Vector Operators. So, vector operators are gradient, divergence and curl. Okay. Now, first we will discuss the important question. Prove that curl of grad phi equals to 0 bar. Curl of grad phi equals to 0 bar. Okay. What is gradient of phi? Gradient of phi equals to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Curl of grad phi is nothing but del cross grad phi. This is nothing but determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z equals to, find the determinant I into dou by dou y of this term, this one. Dou by dou y of dou phi by dou z minus, now dou by dou z of dou phi by dou y minus j into, now this one, this into this one, dou by dou x of dou phi by dou z minus dou by dou z of dou phi by dou x plus k into dou by dou x of dou phi by dou y minus dou by dou y of dou phi by dou x. Okay. This is bigger one. Now simplification. This is I into dou by dou, nothing but dou square phi by dou y dou z. This one is dou square phi by dou z dou y minus j into dou square phi by dou x dou z, dou square phi by dou x dou z dou x plus k into dou square phi by dou x dou y minus dou square phi by dou y dou x. So, dou square dou by dou y of dou phi by dou x is dou square phi by dou y dou x. So, if you observe, both are equal. These two are equal. These two are same terms with opposite signs. Then what do you say? Curl of grad phi equals to I into 0 minus j into 0 plus k into 0 is nothing but 0 bar. Hence, curl of grad phi equals to 0 bar. Very simple result. Okay. Now we will discuss another very simple question. Proof of the result. Proof of the result. First curl f. Curl f equals to del cross f equals to I cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou y. By the definition, this is curl f. Now divergence of curl f. What is the sigma I dot dou by dou x of curl f? I cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou z. Okay. Now this one. Or you may apply another technique also. Okay, if you simplify like this, you will get a simplified expression. Okay, find the derivative. So what happened? I cross dou square f by dou x square plus j cross dou square f by dou x dou y plus k cross dou square f by dou x dou z. Now a dot b cross c equals to, here a dot b cross c equals to a cross b. Now simply, this is simply a dot b cross c formula. A dot b cross c equals to a cross b dot c. Using this formula, first term becomes I cross I into I cross I dot dou square f by dou x square. Now second term is j cross I cross j. I cross j cross dou square f by dou x dou y. Now third term is I cross k cross dou square f by dou x dou z. Okay. Now simplification. I cross I equals to 0. Now this term becomes sigma I cross j equals to k. Sorry, dot. This is dot. Sorry. This is dot. This is dot. K dot dou square f by dou x dou y. Here I cross k equals to minus j dot dou square f by dou x dou y. Dou x dou y. Now expand the summation. K dot dou square f by dou x dou y plus next term is I dot dou square f by next term dou y dou z. Next term is j dot dou square f by dou x. This is dou z dou x. Now this is the expansion of the first three terms. This is dot product. In the similar way, second j dot dou square f by dou x dou z. J next term is k dot dou square f by dou y dou x minus next term is I dot dou square f by dou z dou y. Now observe, this term cancel, this term cancel, this term cancel, you will get 0. So what is the proof? What is the conclusion? Divergence of, hence divergence of curl f equals to 0. So we have an alternative method also. Okay, instead of this technique, we will apply another technique also. I will explain second method. Okay, you may apply any one of the method, then no problem. Curl f equals to sigma I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. What is f1? F equals to f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Now find the kernel. Already known. I into dou f3 by dou y, dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. Determinant minus j into dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou x plus k into dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. Okay, dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. J is dou by dou x of this one minus this one plus k into dou by this one minus this one. Okay, fine. Now this is curl f. What is the divergence of f? What is the divergence of f? Divergence of curl f, dou by dou x of ith quotient is this one, dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z plus, not plus, minus dou by dou y of dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou x. Okay, plus third term dou by dou z of dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. Okay, then what happened? If you simplify, okay, wait. Now continuation. Divergence of curl f equals to, now partial derivative, dou square f3 by dou x dou y, dou square f2 by dou x dou z. Now this time minus dou square f3 by dou y dou x minus or minus plus. This term is dou square f1 by dou y dou x. Now next term dou square f2 by dou z dou x, dou square f1 by dou z dou y. Now observe, dou z dou y, f3 cancel, x cancel, fz cancel. This term, these two terms are cancelled. Okay, these two terms are cancelled. I think a small mistake in second term. Second term, dou by, now jth quotient, I will check the jth quotient. Dou by dou x of f3 minus, this one is z, not x, this is z. Jth term is, this is z. So this is z. So this term both are cancelled. You will get 0. Hence, divergence of curl f equals to 0. You may apply any one of the method or any other related methods, then no problem. Now we will discuss another important question. If f and g are two scalar point function, prove that divergence of f del g equals to f del square g plus del f dot del g. Now proof of the result. Very simple. We know that del g equals to I dou g by dou x plus j dou g by dou y plus k dou g by dou z. Okay, no. Now divergence of divergence of f del g. What is f del g? F into del g equals to I into f dou g by dou x plus j into f dou g by dou y plus k into f dou g by dou z. Now what is the divergence? So ith quotient, differentiate partially with respect to x. Take the ith quotient of f del g. Now take the jth quotient and differentiate partially with respect to y plus dou by dou z of f dou g by dou z. Okay, just differentiate partially with respect to x here, with respect to y here, with respect to z. Now partial derivatives. If you simplify, you will get the required term. Now UV formula, dou f by dou x into dou g by dou x plus f into dou square g by dou x square plus, now again dou f by UV formula, dou f by dou y into dou g by dou y plus f into dou square g by dou y square. In the similar way, third term, dou f by dou z into dou g by dou z plus f into dou square g by dou z square. Okay. Now simplification. Now observe the first terms, dou f by dou x, dou g by dou x plus say third term, dou f by dou y, dou g by dou y, and the fifth term, dou f by dou z, dou g by dou z, and the remaining terms. So here f is the common term, f into dou square g by dou x square plus dou square g by dou y square plus dou square g by dou z square. Now what is the left hand side? Divergence of f del g equals to, if you observe, del f dot del g. What is del f? Del f equals to, the first term is this one. I will show you. Now this is del square g. I will show you in the bottom part with the red color. Del f equals to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Del g equals to I dou g by dou x plus j dou g by dou y plus k dou g by dou z. What is the dot product of these two? Del f dot del g equals to, dot product means multiply the corresponding ith coefficients and dou g by dou x plus dou f by dou y, dou g by dou y plus dou f by dou z, dou g by dou z. This is same as our first term. Now look this one. This first term is same as del f dot del g. Now second, this is first explanation. Second one, what is del square? Del square equals to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square, operator del square, dou square by dou z square. So what about del square g? Del square g equals to dou square g by dou x square plus dou square g by dou y square plus dou square g by dou z square. Now this is same as second term, f into this term is del square g. Very simple and most important result. Okay. Now coming to the next result, if f and g are scalar point function or scalar fields, then prove that del f cross del g is solenoidal. Proof. Solenoidal means divergence of this term becomes 0. We shall prove that divergence of del f cross del g equals to 0. Okay. Then how to prove this result? Okay. First, we recall the known result. What is the result? Divergence of A cross B. Already we discussed in our earlier class, B dot curl A minus A dot curl B. Okay, put A equals to del F, B equals to del B. In this vector, this is vector identity. Vector identity already we discussed in our earlier class. Okay. Now what is the result? Divergence of del F cross del G equals to B means del G dot curl means del cross del F my A del F dot curl del cross B means del G. Just proved curl of grad phi. Today's first result, curl of grad phi, this one. Today's first result, curl of grad phi equals to 0. So just substitute the result here. This equals to del G dot 0 bar minus del F dot 0 bar, 0 vector. Now this is 0 minus 0, finally 0. So then what do you say? Divergence of del F cross del G equals to 0. Hence then what do you say? Hence del F cross del G is solenoidal. Okay, very easy and very interesting, del F cross del G. Okay. Now, in the next class, we will discuss about very important result, curl of curl F, curl of curl A. What is curl of curl A? This is the result. And we will discuss one more very important result, curl of curl F equals to del power 4F if F is solenoidal. If F is solenoidal, then I prove that curl of curl F equals to del power 4F. We will, in the next class, we will discuss these two results. Okay. Thank you.